Hey guys, so Shana Tamayo here. Welcome to my low limit vlog for the Moto Yamaha series. I'll be racing the ladies class on Sunday, and hopefully we can bring home the win, bring home the bacon.
You look like the in Top Gun. You gonna the shirtless scene.
Hey, the phone! Oh, sige, malaglag ako! Uy! Uy!
Hey guys, this is Shana Tamayo and this is my La Union Motocross vlog, and credits to DJ Eusebio for this drone footage. So right here we are battling a three-way battle for first, and so in this racetrack it's very hard packed and slippery, so it's kind of hard to stay consistent on the gas. So right now I'm currently still on third, and around this section I'm gonna make the pass for second on this double jump, and the chase begins to hunt down first place. Right here I was supposed to clear the triple on the inside, but my rear wheel slid, so I wasn't able to clear the triple on the inside in that lap. And the rollers are my favorite part of the track. Right here we have a double section, like a rhythm section. Then when we turn left here, it's the finish line. And there are whoop section, which is amazing. I love the whoop section. My rear end gets like all funky at the back. Go left to right in the whoops, and then we go here in this long stretch to a sweeper section, and yeah. So in this section my front end gets a little wonky, so I told myself I had to control myself. Like in that single jump too, I almost lost my front end. The track is like, there's a lot of square edges, which makes it like Oh my goodness. You see my foot over there? I come right off the peg. I cleared the double inside here. Closed in the gap a little bit and made the pass here on the double. And from then on, I just stayed consistent. My goal was to have a big gap and win the race. So right here, I did triple inside. So I was able to do it. That's actually my first time clearing triple inside in that part. And then we got the roller section. I got a comfortable gap at this point, and then just finished the race with a P1 finish. You may watch the full GoPro video for Heat 1 on my YouTube channel, or you may watch the full drone footage and the DJ Eusebio Facebook page, and full link of the GoPro video of first heat and second heat would be in the description down below. And I think this is the final lap. Yeah, I'm like about one corner away to the checkered flag, and got P1 overall.
And for the ladies category champion, let's have Shana Tamayo.
Bye. We are today going to fly over there. Here, Shana. Today, we will be having a slide. Is this slow-mo?
Yeah.
E di maririnig ba ako?
Hindi.
Oh.
Start the video!
Okay na to. Wala pa po. Does this do storage?
No. Because it's slow-mo.
Dude, this is taking a lot of storage. got it. I got it.